your boy KingRogue here, back with another video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get Steam apps and games onto this computer. This is a school laptop. I can't do much on here, as you can see on the apps on the side. I'm not gonna expose my name or my whistle name to show y'all that, but I might get in trouble. So what you wanna do is I'm gonna go back and do everything over. You wanna take this hard drive, okay? Plug this into the back of your main computer that's unblocked. Once you do that, you're gonna see I already did a couple things in here, which is not too, crazy. So what you're gonna want to do is, before you get started with the installation process, you're gonna create a Steam folder. Before this, all this was not inside the Steam folder, okay? I just made a Steam folder. I just made a new folder in here. You're gonna name it Steam. Name it the Steam folder right here. It's gonna be empty right now, but it's okay. So, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this folder real quick. I don't need that. Now, once you create your Steam folder right here, then you are going to go to Chrome. Oh wait, it's already open, I'm sorry. Boom, go in here. You're gonna hit install Steam. It's gonna install right here. I got it downloaded right there 3 minutes ago. I just tried to do the video like that. Then you're gonna go out of that, back into the Files app, go to Downloads, Steam Setup. You're gonna set this up on your main computer, because if you do on a school computer, it's gonna give this message right here. If you try to do it on a Google laptop, it's gonna give you the same message trying to install it. That's why you're supposed to fully install it on the computer right here, on the main computer that's unblocked, instead of the school laptop, because if you do it on a school laptop, it's going to give you that message and you're going to need a password, but you don't got it. So this is the important part. You see where it says C? The C right here means your main computer. You don't want that. You want to go hit browse, go all the way down till you see your hard drive, personal E, and then that same Steam folder you made and I told you to create, that's empty right now. You're going to hit that Steam folder, and then you're going to hit OK. So now it's going to be external Steam. You're going to want to download this on here, hit install, and then once it's fully done being set up, you're going to open the Steam application on this computer to make sure everything's set up. If you don't got an account, create one. You might have to. And then once you're done with that process, and it's fully opened on here and everything's done and it's fully installed, once you pass this part, the Steam setup part, you're going to close out of that. And once you're done, it should be all inside that Steam folder. And this is how your Steam folder should look, right? We're doing this on the main computer right now. So this is how it should look. When you open the Steam application on this computer, I would not recommend putting this onto the desktop or nothing like that. Not the pen. You don't want to put it on the taskbar. You want to open it from here. Okay, we're gonna open it through the Files app. You should see a file named Steam, and it should be above. It should be below a steam.ddl file or DLL file. And then you're gonna, once you got all this inside that empty folder I told you to create, that's how you know you're done with the process. Now, you're gonna eject right here. It's safe to remove. Boom. Now, you're gonna take this hard drive, put this into here. Hopefully it recognizes. Now it does. Okay, so now this is where people might have a hard time and run into an error. So I'm gonna cover it right now. So everything is unopened right now. So I'm gonna open a file using the Now, because the app is already downloaded on the main computer and you got the setup part done on the main computer, then you wouldn't have to go through that part on the school laptop. All it's going to do is open it, but make sure you do it through an external hard drive instead of the main hard drive, because it'd be impossible to do it since everything is tracked. So now that it's gonna say a couple of messages. This one, Steam error, you're gonna hit ignore. Don't try to repair anything or install anything, because you're gonna need that password and that's not gonna work. So you're gonna hit cancel on that. Second one, Steam service error. You're gonna hit cancel. Now it's gonna take some time to upload the app, but just believe the app will upload. So I'm not gonna pause or skip through anything. It's gonna work, okay? By this point, once that message is off the screen, once that part off the screen, you can just close out. You can close out of all this. You don't want to have nothing running in your background. And I'm gonna show you. Just to make sure y'all know it's a school laptop. I got the Ohio Secure Browser and all that on here. Clever, Blue Book. These are all apps that I didn't even put on here. So give it a second. It's gonna end up opening. I'm just gonna chill, not skip through nothing. I'm just gonna hit my V. Now I'm in. If you don't got an account, make one. Now, go to library. Now from this point, all of your games that you got on here will be saved. So, if you got an account, now you're gonna take the game that you want to install. Like I can install this right now and get the other game. And you can install the Steam games on your computer through this part because it's gonna allow it. I did it earlier. I installed this game on this computer. I just left the hard drive in, which everything connected to. Then I just press play. It's gonna say synchronizing cloud. And by this being Bluetooth, you can Bluetooth your controller onto the computer, which is what I love about it. And watch, you're gonna see. You will see. I'm not editing nothing out. I am legit. School laptop. Didn't even change nothing. Didn't even change nothing. Now, as you can see, everything works. I was just playing the game on here, and I'm gonna even go into the map just to make sure that everything works. This works on any game. Not any. I'm not gonna say any game, but this is the only game I tried it on so far. But it does work. Make sure you get a low-end game because it's gonna run kind of doo-doo since it's not a gaming PC or nothing like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start the game up. It even saved my my add-ons that I have on here. It even saved it on because I had it through my other, on my other PC. I downloaded it. So I'm gonna just upload the game. And if this method works for you, then say got it in the comment section so I know that people know it's legit. This especially works. I am in Cleveland doing this, so yeah. I don't know what kind of system you guys use, but don't try this on the Chromebook because everything is blocked on the Chromebook. It's impossible to do anything on a Chromebook. But if you got a Windows 10 computer that's from the school system, this method should work. Now, as you can see, everything works. So, if you got any questions, leave them down inside the comment section and let me know where you went wrong at, what went wrong, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. But other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Deuces.